How's it going, everyone? Charlie Sussman here, and I'd like to welcome you back to another flight report. Today, at my home airport, Chicago O'Hare, and we're taking an American 737 to San Diego's Lindbergh Field. Departing from one of the farthest gates today, Hotel 17, and there's my aircraft back there, November 937, November. Aircraft was 4.5 years old at the time of this video. It was the second to last 737 NG delivered to American without the in-seat IFE. H-17 is quite the long jet bridge here at O'Hare, and I'm boarding in group 6 of 9, and I'll be headed to my seat 10F, which is marketed as a preferred seat on this configuration for American.
We appreciate your patience in the delays. Once you find your seat, we ask that you kindly step out of the aisle into your row to allow other passengers to pass you by and find their seats as well. If you're sitting at the bulkhead seat, meaning if you're in seats 3 or 7, rows 3 or 7, nothing may be on your lap or at your feet. We ask that you put everything in the overhead bin. Thank you so much for your cooperation.
I really lucked out this afternoon as I have this whole set of seats to myself.
You may need to open the exit in an emergency. Let a flight attendant know if you are unwilling to operate the exit or do not meet the exit seat requirements.
Attention to those of you on the left-hand side, you see the maintenance guys out there now putting oil in. They're going to go over and fill up the right-hand side too. And as soon as that's done, we'll be on our way.
Free entertainment is available on today's flight. You can stream our library of free movies and TV shows on your phone, tablet, or laptop. Instructions are located on the entertainment card in your seat back pocket. You'll need the American app to watch content from your mobile device. Download it before we depart with your Apple iTunes Store or Google Play. The seatbelt sign is on. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
Armboards cross-check, goodbye, roll call. Ladies and gentlemen, your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment. Give your attention to the overhead monitors for an important safety video on this Boeing 737 aircraft. Your attention, please.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for your attention. It's time to get you ready for takeoff. We know you have lots of choices, so thanks for choosing American. We're happy to be your airline. You'll find our full electronic device policy in the back of your American Way. U.S. law prohibits smoking, including electronic cigarettes, at any time. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in the laboratories may result in a fine. U.S. law requires all to comply with lighted and posted signs and crew member instructions. To exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane.
Looks like we're going to be using runway 28 right for a departure out to the west, which works in our favor today. It's been a long time since I've had a whole set of seats to myself, and I really forgot how nice it is. My phone and portable charger have their own seat. The seating product and configuration is going away due to retrofits and retirements of old aircraft. As a side note, this configuration does have power between the seats, 2 outlets per 3 seats. I just take a portable charger with me when I fly.
Level at 38,000 feet. I've turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Entry signal move by the cabin as you see fit. I do ask though that whenever in your seat, you do have your seatbelt on, just like you would in your automobile. And if you're laying asleep, if you wear your seatbelt over your outer garment, flight attendants won't have to disturb you for their safety compliance checks. We took off to the west today out of Chicago. We're continuing west, just coming up on Davenport. Very soon we'll be over Kansas City, then Wichita, Liberal, Kansas, Santa Fe, Flagstaff, right over the Salton Sea where we'll start our descent into San Diego, where currently the winds are southwest at 6 miles an hour with 10 miles visibility, low overcast skies. Currently our flight plan shows arriving about 4:50 local. I don't see any reason why that shouldn't hold together. We're going to go as quickly as we can, but they already had us flight plan as fast as possible. So with that being said, I'd like everyone to sit back, relax, and try to enjoy the flight.
So more about a preferred seat. It's got your standard legroom, however it is in a favorable location on the plane. Plus it costs more than a main cabin seat, however it costs less than a main cabin extra seat, which are the 3 rows in front of me with extra legroom.
The seatbelt sign is on. Please be seated and fasten your seatbelt.
I've said this many times and I'll say it again. I love these seats. I think they're very comfortable. And I have yet to try the new main cabin seats on the American 737 MAX and as well as the Project Oasis 737s.
Weather associated with that. Out of an abundance of caution, I'm going to turn on the fasten seatbelt sign and request everyone, including the flight attendants, take their seats. Should be about 10-12 minutes. We should be on the far side where the seatbelt sign comes off. And that'll be my estimation that it's safe to move around again. Thank you.
That was a rather quick 3.5 hours. We're now descending towards San Diego's runway 27.
And please stow your tray table. We're coming to the aisle to collect any items you wish to discard.
folks, I just wanted to take a quick moment and say thank you so much for watching this flight report video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to drop a like on it and subscribe for more flight reports coming out in the near future. In addition to these flight reports, if you're interested in following my travels in real time, be sure to follow my Instagram at Sussman_aviation. There will also be a link to my Instagram in the description below. Arriving today in San Diego at Terminal 2, Gate 25. Lastly, I want to thank American Airlines for another great flight and wish all of you happy holidays and a happy new year. Looking forward to sharing many new flight reports and videos with you guys in 2019.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to San Diego, where the local time is 4:48 p.m. On behalf of American Airlines and our One World partners, we thank you for flying with us today. Hope you have a great rest of your day. Also, just as a reminder, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and we are safely parked at the gate. Thank you very much.
Right inside of the plane about 1 o'clock, you'll see a little Delta jet. He has to come out before we come in. One-way traffic there where it gets real narrow. So we're going to sit here for just a few moments while he clears, and then we'll be in on gate 25. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened. I can move at any time. And I certainly don't want to knock you.
Flight attendants, verify disarm doors, stay my roll call.